So since I last talked about this stock in the month of December, it's been up by 30%. So it's a slow rise, but if you are looking at the trend, there are some positive things that are happening, and the stock is making higher highs, and it has been a double bottom, which you can see in this particular stock, which is giving us an indication that probably the downtrend is over, and slowly and steadily it will definitely going to move on the upside. So the thing here to understand is if you have patience enough to hold on the trend. So hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the long-term chart of Kosmos Energy, and I first talked about this stock in the month of December, and it's not been a phenomenal rise, but it's a decent rise. So the first thing to understand here is go and check out my previous video, and in this video the level, as I have highlighted in front of you, is 2.19. so 2.19 is the support or the stop loss below which there is no need to carry any further positions. Now if it holds the level the way it is right now, then what we are going to look at, okay, so this one. Now these two levels. So first understand this, that these are the levels which are working as a big resistance, which is 3.55. so that's why it's very important for you to understand. You cannot think of any level and that will appear in front of you and it will make your money and increase your bank account. So that's not going to happen. So understand things. Now first, there are only two things. If the stock falls below over 2.19, no need to carry any further trend on the downside. On the upside, the only thing you need to concern right now is 3.55. The stock may move at or above 3.55, but another thing is the breakout above 3.55, that's one part, and the sustainability is another part. So as I told you, the first target will be 3.55, but because the pattern is so positive, and obviously we are looking at a long-term chart, and if the stock sustain above 3.55 or 3.6, 3.7, then the big trend will open up, big pattern will open up. So in that scenario, the levels that we are going to discuss at so these are the levels that we are going to discuss. Okay, no misery with the targets, that's fine, but we have to be reasonable enough at the same time. Okay, it should not be haywire. So yeah, so now as you can see, I'm creating multiple levels so that everybody, short, long, intermediate, everybody can use it. So these ranges will only get activated if and if the stock sustain above 3.6 or more on the upside. So if it happens, then the first target that we are going to look at will be 4.65. Then we have 5.39. We have 6.74. We have a 7.6. We have 8.98, and this could extend up to 9.85. So these are the levels that we are looking on the upside, but on a positional basis, and definitely it's going to take couple of weeks to couple of months for this to happen. And as I told you, all these levels are conditional, so be mindful of that. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.